Hey guys, it's Dylan from the Music Factory in Seattle. I got another lesson for you today. Go check us out at musicfactorynw.com. We got all styles for all ages, all levels, and right now we're all online. So anywhere you are, anywhere you want to be, come get some lessons from us. Thanks. If you want to see what the major modes individually look like, go back and check out part 1. Here's part 2. This is how they look all together. Because remember, these are all the same scale, just looked at them from a different angle. So we're going to look at them in the key of F, F major, right? The major, F major scale along my E string looks like this: F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Right? So, if I take a look at these, I got my Ionian. That's major, remember? Then on the 2, I got Dorian. That's minor with a raised 6. On my 3, I've got Phrygian, minor with a flat 2. On my 4, I have Lydian, major with a raised 4. On my 5, I've got Mixolydian, major with a flat 7. On my 6, I have Aeolian, that's our minor scale. On the 7th, we got Locrian, flat 2, flat 5, and then back to the Ionian. And then it keeps going, Dorian, Phrygian, etc., all the way up. All those notes that I just played, that's all from the F major scale. F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Just those 7 notes in that same order, but starting from F, starting from G, starting from A, starting from B flat, C, D, E, F, etc. Right? So these are now all 7 scales that I just played. That was all F major, but just looking at it from a different order, right? Check them out.